I'm Nicolette.
I'm Brian.
Welcome to our channel.
Today we're at Crystal Grove and we're going to be showing you our experience here, Herkimer diamond mining. We'll give you some tips and tricks. Thanks for coming along on the adventure.
And we do something new every week. So if you like this video and you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's a beautiful day and we're excited to find some hercs.
This is what a typical Herkimer diamond mine looks like. You can break rock, dig in the dirt, or our personal favorite, open up pockets. If we can do it, so can you.
That's a pretty good round score.
It's a cutie. As we got ready to start our day and Nicolette got situated, we were called over to see the first pocket of the day.
There it is.
So Nicolette's getting strapped in and then we're gonna go at it.
Getting strapped in.
Yeah, Andrew found a pocket here, just busted it into it.
5 days of digging.
Oh wow.
Huge hole.
That is a big hole. Let's just show you in here and he's gonna pull out a couple crystals. I'm gonna show it.
You get the pocket clay.
The clay is
It's like a lot different.
filled,
than,
huh? You got a sifter.
Yeah,
oh, that's
you
a good
can
clay.
See the clay. So I'm gonna have to probably chisel a little bit of the stone out.
That's fine, yeah.
But you can see how much it wiggles.
Right there, you could see the facet wiggling. He's gonna work a little bit to get that out, and we're gonna show you guys. And it was time to pull the first crystal from the first pocket of the day.
Blowouts, just from natural freeze thaws.
He's taking his time pulling it. But holy crap! Look at that. That is so beautiful, man.
But it's got a beautiful point. Great rainbows through it, the fire.
I'm sure this will see it. That's so beautiful, man.
It looks like a contact on the bottom.
A little contact. Andrew worked hard to expose this, and it's worth it. Look at this find.
It's really hard for me to move around this mine, although I still do love it. So right now I'm just sitting in a spot, surface picking and flipping over rocks, seeing what I can find. You'd be surprised how many amazing, beautiful things you could find that way. It's crazy the stuff you find just laying around here.
We just broke open a rock, and inside isn't a Herkimer, but it's little calcite blades. I think they're great.
That is great.
That was kind of exciting. We spent the next few hours surface picking and breaking rocks until we were able to work our own pocket. If we can do it, you can too.
We're trying to get this big rock out. And digging this spot. We're finding some cuties here.
Just found a really nice little crystal. I'm going to show it to you. It's just a small cluster, but it's awesome, and we have high hopes for this spot here.
Look at him.
Exactly what's going on.
Little druzy cavern. Look how cute. One of the reasons why I love Crystal Grove so much is because they have so much druzy laying around everywhere. So I'm basically just moving around and looking through all these rocks, seeing what I could find, and finding some really cute pieces. This one has a little herc on it. I'll have Brian cut this down and make it smaller, but it's got really good druzy and a beautiful herc. I had Brian break open this rock for me.
Let's see if there's anything. Nothing yet, but we're gonna keep going.
There's like a cavern here.
I know.
Quite beautiful.
A nice cavern there, but we're gonna keep going. This one's breaking pretty easy, so.
And then just walls in. Found this little guy just sitting there. Look how beautiful this rock I found. Just flipping rocks and looking around all these piles. There's actually multiple hercs on here. One there, and then some druzy pockets. All right, I'm really pumped. I just found my favorite piece of the day so far, and dug a little and pulled this bad boy out of here. Hold on, look at this thing. He's dirty now, so you can't really see, but there's at least two perfect hercs in here with some druzy and a little cavern. That's pretty big. That's exciting. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. So there's so many crystals just that people miss in the piles where they're just throwing rocks out, trying to get deeper and deeper. So when I can't dig, what I do is go to those piles and give it a double check and find beautiful things like this. So it's a really smart way to do it if you're trying to be low key or there's not really any places left to dig.
So whenever you come to any of the Herkimer mines, and we're at Crystal Grove specifically, but whenever you come to any Herkimer mine, you want to check the ledge. There's always going to be an exposed ledge, and you want to look all along it for exposed pockets someone was working on. If it's covered, it's a no-go. But if it's not covered, no one's there, or if someone gives you permission, you can, it's fair game. And there might be crystals right in front of it. There might be crystals still on the wall there that you can extract.
I think there's a little bit of both here, right?
Yeah, so we got a bunch of druzy here, and Nicolette's gonna pick this all out. And then if you look in here, really beautiful, beautiful Herkimers. And just to show you for size, that's my finger. Look how big that guy is. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to successfully take him out, but we're gonna try.
Nice size, pretty intact Herc on here. That's great. One for the fanny.
So I got one that's loose. I'm gonna try to take it out now. Let me hit it once. All right, here it comes. It's just a little guy, but all of them matter. That's a beautiful Herkimer specimen on blacker druzy.
I also really enjoy just picking up the beautiful pieces of calcite.
All right, so you have something else coming out of this pocket area. And it's a beautiful one on the matrix. Nicolette's gonna show you.
Look at that. All that druzy is gonna clean out beautiful. Perfect Herc on the matrix. Good job, babe. I know that's not easy right now in this heat. I'm going for it.
If this opens up a bigger pocket, it's well worth it. I think there might be more of a pocket, but I just found one, babe. Has a little rainbow. I'm gonna keep trying to see if this pocket continues. There's one there. Crystal Grove. This is hard work, guys, especially when it's
90 degrees.
90 degrees out.
Mining is basically a very rewarding torture.
Or very unrewarding.
And you can't stop. No matter how hard your torture is, so. Muddy druzy. It's a really special piece of calcite. And then there's a little bit of druzy and a little Herc. I just love this.
All right, guys, so the sun's beating us. We're leaving about 30 minutes before close. Nicolette and I are very hot, right, babe?
It's too hot. We didn't bring a cooler.
No cooler, nothing.
Our drinks are hot. It's too hot.
I don't know if you could tell we're hot, but I really think it was a successful trip. We're gonna clean off all of our crystals, and some of them are awesome.
So when you're out there mining, it's really hard to see all of the finds that you get. It's hot, you're excited. So getting them home and seeing what you actually got is one of our favorite parts. We think we had a great haul.
Over the next few days, we will be cleaning the specimens we found in this episode. We do it completely natural. All of them will be listed on our Etsy over the next few weeks, and the link to our store is in the description. This crystal here was gifted to us, and to keep the good energy going, we will be gifting it to one of the commenters on this video. It's a beautiful big Herkimer cluster and is a really special specimen. We thought our viewers would like it just as much as we do. All you have to do is comment to have a chance to win it. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you on our next episode.